Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel pre-approved payment on PayPal. First of all, you need to log into your PayPal account, and then from right side, and also this is a business account. This is a business account. So go to your profile settings, and then account settings. On the account setting on the left side, you'll see money, banks and cards. Just click on that. Once you click on that, it'll take a minute to load up all the information about money, banks, cards, but probably if his internet speed is good, it would show quickly. And then you scroll down, in the bottom you see automatic payments. Set up automatic payments, make recurring payments automatically. You click on set automatic payments, and then here we go. You see my pre-approved payments, subscription, automatically bill payments, the one cancel. So you can see some of these active. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel. How do we do it? Let's just start with this one, fax salad. Just click on the one that you like to cancel, and then you'll see here cancel. Just click on cancel. Are you sure you want to cancel this payment? Yes. And then just wait. You will see you have authorized billing details, fax, merchant name, fax salad. So this is canceled. You can see now. Going back to the previous page to cancel few other active ones, you can see, just click here the one that the merchant, then click on cancel. So this is super simple. I hope this is helpful. So let me know in the comment what you think, if this is helpful or you're having any problem to do it. And also, if you are watching until this point, make sure to hit the like button, please. If you hit the like button, it'll help the YouTube algorithm to go to more people. And then also let me know if it is helpful or not helpful, so maybe I can think of making another video later sometimes. Alright, so I have finished canceling all my pre-approved payments, and thank you very much for watching. See you on another video.